Headlines and titles. These are the ones makes your audience to decide whether they should be reading your blogs, emails, articles, Facebook ads or any other ads, or even watch your videos, Instagram videos and any other video type contents. Example, if you wrap a valuable thing like a trash package, nobody would like to open and see it. It is the same way how people can judge your content or your video or email thinking that this does not have any valuable thing for me. Your number one attention seeking technique should be your headlines and titles. Gone are those days you sit and research about the keywords, SEO, what is the most searched word, what are the questions people are asking, what are the pain points they are looking for, what are the solution, benefits they needed. Now, there are a lot of artificial intelligence applications have been launched every now and then. It makes a marketer's or business owner's life simple, so you can take advantage of these tools. These are built by the case studies, successful and failure case studies, to understand what is the open rate, what is the click-through rate, which one is seeking more attention of the people, which one is making them to take action, where people are spending more time. So depending on all the research and studies, there are a lot of artificial intelligence applications have been launched on online marketing. All you have to do is choose the smartest application which works better for you. So today I am going to cover you 5 very useful artificial intelligence headline generated applications which can be useful for you, and this is completely for free. So without further delay, let's watch this video. Hello guys, this is Shailaja. Let's start the video. Your headline should have certain emotions. Example, excitement, surprise, shock, sad, pain, anything could be the emotions. Number 2, it should be a more powerful words which can motivate them, which can make them feel what they really wanted. Number 3, it should have some words which can trigger them and make them take instant actions like a free, discount, offer. These are the most actionable words. You must inclusive all combination of these words in your headlines, which can create a huge impact on your audience. These application comes with such formula template of headlines where you can just add your keywords and business words and it is gonna create a magical headlines for you. So in my list, the number 1 application is CoSchedule. This is one of my personal favorite. If you see, this is gonna exactly analyze, rate your headline. What is the percentage of your emotions? What is the percentage of the power words? What are the percentage of the common words? How length it is? How short it is? So it is gonna analyze and help you to write a very good headline or a title. Let's see how to use CoSchedule. So search for CoSchedule.com headline analyzer. I have given this link below in the description. You can click on that. So right now I just copied my headline. So let me paste it here and click on analyze button. It's gonna ask for a sign up. So since I already have the account, I'm just gonna sign up using my Google account. So here it's taking me to the headline studio. We can see all my previous headline analyzers here. I can see the breakdown and start of this headline. So the score is 78. It's going to show you the score, which is good, which is really good, which is average and bad. So through the score, you will understand how powerful and effective is your headline. So my headline, the total wording counts are 25. It has 78, which is really great score. And you can also see the breakdown of each and every single word, how to build the successful funnel. So it is also given which is the verb, which is the adjective, all those things, noun. So what is needed, and it will also give you explanation about that. What is the common words, the, to, how, all these are common words, which is 54%. Uncommon, which is nothing but this little is an uncommon word. So you can, by looking through these symbols, you can relevant what are the percentage we used it and what is it exactly. So they will also give you some instructions what can be improved. So emotional word, 8% of the emotional word I have used, so which is successful. This is one of the emotional word, and there are some power. So there is no power word has been used in this. So if I try to use power word, it might be even more effective headline. So you will see the total word count, character count, all this information. Headline type, which is a type starts with how to. Reading level is like a 4th, like 7th grade student can read this. So which means very simple to understand, which has a positive sentiment and which is a very clarity. So this clearly shows how effective and really convincible your headline is. So using this tool, you can try to tweak, try to avoid, try to edit and add and remove some of the words according to the instruction and make it even more better. Number 2 in the list is Tihar. So let me run you through how to work on this application. Open this thehoth.com headline generator link. It's in the description. So you can see this is gonna generate the headline. So let's generate one of the headline. Here you need to fill in few information about your product and service details. So it's easy for the AI tool to understand what is your business. So I'm going to quickly fill all this information. Enter the keyword relevant to your website or a content. Ideas. So I'm going to say it's a sales funnel. Enter the desired outcome. Learn to build funnels in 5 minutes. Enter a problem that is common for your target audience. No coding skills or experience. Enter the name of your industry. I would say it's online marketing. I would say social media marketing. Enter the name of your target audience. It's like funnel builders. Now click on generate headline ideas. Now here are the results. Here is a quick way to solve no coding skills or experience. The best sales funnel learn. The best sales funnels to learn build funnel in 5 minutes. How to have fun with sales funnel. 14 things you need to know about sales funnel. How to learn build sales funnels in 5 minutes. 19 sites to help you become an expert at sales funnel. So it is gonna give you some of the things you just need to manually tweak it if it doesn't make sense. Most of the things are really catchy and really interesting. So if you can say like more ideas, it's gonna give you more examples other than this. So see, I'm getting a different ultimate guide to sales funnel, 12 steps to say successful sales funnel, steps to sales funnel guide. So you can just play around with these and maybe you will figure it out one or the other a best headline from you. Maybe you will like one or the other headline from this one. Number 3 in the list is Wix. Now all of us know Wix is one of the famous website builder application. Any person can create a website using the templates provided by Wix and you can use it for free. Now the surprising factor about the Wix is they also have a headline generator tool. So let's see how to use it. So the next one is wix.com. So here you could see the link says wix.com tools title generator. If you directly open this link, it will show you directly title generator. So all you have to just enter the keywords relevant to your services or products. So I'm gonna enter it as a digital marketer. So click on get your title. It's gonna take few seconds to generate the title, and here you would see without any further information, just by adding 2 keywords, I could see a plenty of titles here. 10 digital marketer tricks all experts recommended. What is digital marketers and why is everyone talking about? How much can digital marketer experts earn? What is digital marketing and how to use it? So you can also check these kind of option whether it is an event. So if it is something, this keyword is about your event, the entire title is gonna talk something relevant to the event subject. If it is an organization, a person, place, product, verb, work of art, other. So let us try to change this to a person and see, because I have entered as a digital marketer, so it should be a person. So we'll see how it is going to change the content or headline. So here you see how to become a successful digital marketer in 10 simple steps. The one digital marketer mistake every beginner makes. Why right now is the best time to become a successful digital marketer. So depending on the keyword you use to refine the search results. So you have to choose the objective of your headline, and according to that the wix.com generate your relevant headline. Isn't it cool? I really love this website. Number 4 in the list is Potent. This also can help you to create the headline, and I must tell you some more surprising features in this. Let's see what are those. So the next one is potent.com tools title maker. So you just directly open this link. It's gonna ask you what is your subject, which is nothing but our keyword, or what is the content like. So again, I'm gonna put the content as a digital marketer. Generate idea. So we'll wait for a couple of seconds. How digital marketers can help you live a better life. So this is the headline it is generating, and now you can keep changing. See another title. When you keep clicking on this, it's gonna generate a new title. So let's try. The 18 best resources for digital marketers. Why digital marketers are harder than acing the stats. 10 surprising ways digital marketers are more refreshing than news talk. So you can just keep on refreshing and see which is really suitable for you. You can also save it and you can directly share to or tweet it anywhere. And when you double click on this, it's gonna show you have the courage to make a bad content, then release it. So it's gonna talk about each and every single word. Or to click, it's gonna explain about the every word used in this title. So if I select the first one, 10 surprising ways, make sure these are really surprising audience hate a letdown. So are you talking about the 10 factors here, which is surprising factors? So they are breaking down into each and every word what we meant in this title. So if I say, when you say next tip, it's gonna talk about the digital marketer. Nothing is as refreshing as a great new content title, right? The next tip. So it's gonna give a tip on each and every word what we are talking on the title, and that's gonna be really even helpful in understanding what title we are writing. Number 5 in the list is my personal favorite. I've been using it for a very long time, which is funnel script. This has a lot of other features, but currently I'm going to show you how to generate a headline. By answering certain questions, it's going to give you a lot of options. So let's see what are those. Last one is funnel script. So once you open this link, it does not require any login details. Directly you can generate the headlines. Just to download, you might need to give your email ID. So that time itself, only that time it is needed to log in. But you can play around with the words and how to generate the headlines. So let's see that now. So first thing is it is required to fill out few questions here to understand your audience and niche and business everything better. So the first thing here, they also give an example here. So what is the niche of your audience? Beginner, investor, ebook author. Let's try to build the information here. Niche audience should be generate leads. The main keyword I would say generate leads. Number 2 is bring more traffic. What is the number 1 result they want? Grow the email list. What is the number 2 result they want? Increase traffic. So what is the pain they wanted to avoid in this area without spending money on ads? What is the roadblock they see as holding them back from their goal? So the roadblock means what is holding them? No prior experience. In what time frame can you deliver the results? 10 days, let's say just 10 days, and click on the still button. So here are the results. How to grow the email list without spending money on ads. How to grow the email list so you can avoid without spending money on ads. So these are all how to headlines. You will get more headlines when you click on this. Just add your email ID and you can download those 113 more results, which has a warning, which has numbers. Let me show you after downloading that. So here is the remaining headlines, including the 5 headlines. I do have 113 plus, so overall I would have received 118 headlines with by just filling few answers in this tool. So you can see a pattern of all starts with how to, and then you will have numbers like number of ways to get so and so, and then you will have some more with the warning like the truth. So there are certain different patterns you will get to see. You can just play around with this and you can choose whichever you would like to suitable for you and your headline. So CoSchedule is the one to analyze, and remaining and all will help you to generate the headlines. So you can just use combination of both and try to build a very good headline which can get you more attention and get more traffic to your funnels, ads and your contents.
Use these applications to create a successful and engaging headlines to see more traffic and engagement to your content. I hope this video was helpful. Please hit the like button if you liked the video. Comment in the comment section and let me know what are the other videos you would like me to make. And also, if you have not subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel and share it with other friends whoever needs this video. Thank you. I'll see you in my next video.